Hi, my name is Joel Coleman, and I'm Senior Director of Software Development for Oracle Application Express, or APEX. Welcome to today's virtual summit, Building Applications Faster with Low Code. Here's what we'll cover today. In just a few minutes, you'll hear from Mike Hichwa, Senior Vice President for Oracle Database Tools. Mike will interview Forrester analyst John Bratton-Sevic about the trends in low code. Mike will then share Oracle's vision for application development and some of the challenges our customers face. He'll then describe the new capabilities we've recently announced to help our customers succeed. Then you'll hear some compelling stories that describe how Apex helps our customers meet their business objectives. And you'll also hear from an Oracle partner how Apex helps them meet their customers' needs. I'll be back later in the program to provide you with a deeper look at Apex, which includes some common use cases, competitive advantages, and I'll also illustrate how Apex can help you respond quickly to ever-changing business needs. Later, I'll share a short demonstration of Apex and provide you with the next steps to help you get started with Oracle Apex.